Number 1. Wanda read 1/8 of her book in 1/4 of an hour. If she continues at this rate, what portion of the book will Wanda have read in 1 hour? A. 1/2, B. 5/8, C. 3/4, D. 7/8. Number 2. The scale on a map is 1/4 inch is equal to 3/4 of a mile. How long is 1 mile on the map? A is 1/3 of an inch, B is 1/2 an inch, C is 1 inch, D is 3 inches. Number 3. What is the solution to the inequality 3p plus 4 is greater than -5? A. P is greater than -3. B. P is greater than a -1/3. C. P is greater than 3. Number 4. Which expression is equivalent to 3 times 4x minus 2y? A is 6xy, B is 12x minus 2y, C is 12x minus 6y. Number 5. What is the value of the expression below? 1/2 plus 1/4 divided by 1/8. A is 6, B is 2 1/2, C is 1 1/3. Number 6. What is the value of -5.4 plus 7.8 times -3.1? A is 18 7/78, B is 5 50/100, C is a -7 44/100, D is a -29 58/100. Number 7. Which expression is equivalent to -1/2 times 6x minus 8 plus 4x? A is x minus 4, B is x plus 4, C is 7x minus 4, D is 7x plus 4. Number 8. Kevin wants to buy a book that cost $18. 3 stores are having a sale on this book. The table below shows the different sales at each store. Store 1, the sale is 1/3 off. Store 2 is $5 off with a coupon. Store 3 is 20% off. If Kevin wants to save the most money, how much should he spend on the book? $3.60, $6, $12, $13. For number 9, Chris practiced the piano for 3/4 of an hour on Monday, 1/2 of an hour on Tuesday, 1 hour on Wednesday, 1/4 of an hour on Thursday, and 1/3 of an hour on Friday. How many total hours did Chris practice? A is 3 1/6 hours, B is 2 5/6 hours, C is 2 hours, D is 1 5/6 hours. Number 10. In the figure below, angle DBC measures 3x plus 10. What is the measure of angle CBE? A is 105, B 110, C 155, D 160. Number 11. Which expression is equivalent to -3 times x minus 2y plus 4z? A, negative 3x minus 2y plus 4z. B, negative 3x plus 2y minus 4z. C, negative 3x minus 6y plus 12z. D, negative 3x plus 6y minus 12z. Number 12. What is the value of negative 3x squared y squared z when x is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 2, and z is equal to 5? A, negative 60. B, negative 30. C, 30. D, 60. Number 13. Sam paid $4.50 to have 2 shirts cleaned. If the dry cleaning service charges the same amount for any shirt, which equation can be used to represent the total cost C of having N shirts cleaned? A, C is equal to 4.5 N. B, C is equal to 2.25 N. C, C is equal to 4.5 plus N. D, C is equal to 2.25 plus N. Number 14, which expression is equivalent to negative 5 times 2x minus 10? A, negative 3 times x minus 5. B, negative 3 times x plus 5. C, negative 10 times x minus 5. D, negative 10 times x plus 5. And number 15, Shonda's recipe for a cake requires 4½ cups of flour and 2 1/4 cups of sugar. Shonda makes 2 cakes. How many total cups of flour and sugar does Shonda use? A, 12 1/2. B, 12 3/4. C, 13 1/2. D, 13 3/4.